Hi, my name is Alan, and I'm a software developer, and I developed some software for PowerPoint. I used to copy-paste text for each slide into PowerPoint. I thought there ought to be a better way of doing this. So I created an add-in called Impress, short for Import and Present. I'm still working on making it better because it's not quite there yet, because development is a journey, and this is my journey. This is basically my third attempt. I notice that I fumble around a lot with my words. I don't really know exactly what I'm going to be saying, so it takes me a few tries, I think. Because I do say a lot of uhs and ands, and so that's basically why I am attempting to redo this a few times. But basically what I'd like to do in the next step here is build out a new feature for the paid users for the add-in, and the paid feature will be to allow users to use their own templates. So if they're able to create templates, they're able to load templates that I've already made and put out on my website, impress.com, imppres.com. However, those templates are good for some things. They're not good for everything, obviously. And there are a lot of really good paid templates out there, or free templates. You just have to find them. What I'd like to do is offer an option for my users basically to use those templates with this add-in for PowerPoint. So basically what it does is they will be able to target a slide to be used by the Impress add-in, and then select a shape that the text would flow into. And so that's what these buttons do. And here, let me show you what I've gotten done so far. So right now, this is not a template slide. This is just the default slide that comes up. And I can just add new slides here. And so, see, and this is part of the journey, right? It's like, I click this, but there's nothing, not a slide selected. So it's giving an error. So I am going to select the first slide and click Use Current. Selecting the second slide, it doesn't say that Use Current is selected. Basically, it's not highlighted. If I click it now, it's going to add a note here, template slide 2 and template slide 1. This is what identifies to the add-in that this is a template slide to be used. However, it will look at this slide and not see anything that it can lay text down on, because it is looking for certain shapes on that slide that are named different. They are named a specific thing. So if I hit the create template, basically it's looking for these objects that are called line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, etc., or a header box or title, settings that's unique to the Impress add-in PowerPoint templates. So just to give you an idea, that's exactly what it's doing here with the being able to tell what shape to flow text into. So I'm going to just delete that. So that's what I need to do at this point, is be able to set a certain shape and name that shape to like line 1, right? And line 2 if I want. So that's what it does when I click set shape, and if I select, I'm just going to delete that template. I just only want this one to be used as a template, and then I'm going to, what I'm going to do, I want to test this out. I want to open up like an announcements thing. So that's what I'll do. I'll just try and transfer this and see what happens. I haven't run this yet to see if it works. So let's see what happens. Nothing's happening. It's just it should open up a Word dialog box for Word. Oh, not sure what's going on there. Okay, so we're gonna just restart this. We're not gonna wait. Something's obviously wrong. Okay, there was an error. And I'm not running it in code right now, so that's half of the problem. I also am running a separate instance of PowerPoint here to actually do the recording. So when I stop the recording, it's going to open up in here. I use PowerPoint a lot, so, and that's exactly how I use it. Anyways, so that's the first thing I'm going to do here and try and fix this issue. We're going to see if we can actually get some text to flow through on this. So what I'm going to do is open up the code once again. And I'm going to try and run it from here. Let's see, I also need the sign-in code sign-in key. Takes a little bit for this to come up. Assuming that it's going to work with PowerPoint already open, I'm not sure. And it's not going to run, so I'm going to have to record this video some other way in the future, because I'm using PowerPoint to record the video. But that's just part of the journey, and it's getting a little bit long at this point. I think I'm up to about 10 minutes. So I will let you go, but this is just at least wanted to give you an introduction and an idea of what I want to be doing, and I will certainly share with you in the future what's going on. Look for my next video if you're interested. If not, you know, that's all right. No biggie. It's been a privilege to be able to share this with you. Kind of fun too for me. So here we go. Have a great day, and look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye.